Welcome to this tutorial on how to send money to someone using Royal Bank of Canada online banking. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of sending money to individuals or businesses using the Royal Bank of Canada online platform. First, you need to log in to your Royal Bank of Canada online banking account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, you will see the main dashboard where you can view your accounts and perform various transactions. To send money, click on the Pay and Transfer tab and then select the Send Money option. You will be asked to choose the account you want to send money from and the recipient type. The recipient type can be an individual or a business. If you are sending money to an individual, you will need to enter their name and account information. You can also add the recipient to your payee list for future transactions. If you are sending money to a business, you will need to enter the business name and account information. Next, you will need to enter the amount you want to send and the currency. You can also add a message to the recipient if needed. Review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Once you have reviewed the transaction details, click the Confirm button to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message and the transaction will be processed. It is also important to note that Royal Bank of Canada has a few different ways to send money, including wire transfers and international money transfers. Each of these options has its own set of requirements and fees, so be sure to review the details before completing your transaction. In addition to sending money online, you can also use the Royal Bank of Canada mobile app to send money on the go. The app allows you to send money to individuals and businesses using your mobile device. To ensure the security of your transactions, Royal Bank of Canada uses advanced security measures, including two-factor authentication and encryption. This helps to protect your account information and prevent unauthorized transactions. In conclusion, sending money to someone using Royal Bank of Canada online banking is a quick and easy process. By following these steps and using the Royal Bank of Canada online platform, you can send money to individuals and businesses securely and efficiently. Remember to always review the transaction details carefully and take advantage of the advanced security measures to protect your account information.